One of my favorite aspects of the new Shashibo² is this triple invertibility feature. I can make every single shape with every single color combination. And a great way of showing this off is with the box, because our boxes have the same color facing out the whole way around. And so if I take my box, I can actually make that a red box as well as a blue box. Let's learn how to do that with some intention. So it's very simple. It looks tricky, but from our double cube, what we want to do is open it up either by pulling it apart or twisting it. Either way, we want to pull it all the way apart into this nice open ring shape. And now, around the outside of the ring, look, I've got a ton of different colors. I've got blue, I've got yellow, I've got red right here on either side. All that needs to happen is pick a color. I'm gonna pick yellow this time. I'm just gonna hold it by that, and it turns into this ribbon. And now I'm going to wrap up that ribbon to keep all of my yellow showing on the outside. And there's my yellow box. I can do the same thing with the blue. Just isolate that blue pattern, let the whole thing collapse, and now wrap up my box so that only the blue is showing, and of course the same with red. Now, here's a tricky one. Some shapes you can make in a shuffled variety. Look, that has blue, yellow, and red on it. So there is, of course, a way to choose what you're doing there, because we have 2 blue sections and 1 of the yellow and red. And the way to choose which one you're doing is this pattern right here. The way to get to that shuffled box is to open up our double cube into that open ring again. Into that nice open ring, just like so. Now, that ring has a couple orientations. It could just be in this flat hexagon. It could be kind of stretched out like this into the ribbon, but we don't want the ribbon. We actually want to fold it back. If the ribbon closes on this hinge right here, we want to fold that hinge back the opposite way, like this, into this cool shape right here. Now, the pattern that is together right here on the inside of that shape is going to be what we have 2 of. So see how when we make that shape, we only have 1 color in the full square, and we have it on both sides. Now we need to take one of those pieces and pinch it in. We're letting it all collapse on that end, just like so, and then we let these pieces fold down so that we have this kind of square and a wedge. And now I can take my square and fold it back on itself, just like